So, the topic of our group discussion today, egg or chicken, which came first? So, start.
So this topic that egg or chicken which came first is always been a tricky controversial question because there are so many kinds of controversy in this. Some of scientists says that the eggs came first, and others says that the chickens came first. So, if we think biologically, the eggs came first because the egg cells evolved billions years ago, whereas the chicken evolved only 10,000 years ago. But there is one thing that makes sense, that the protein that is in the eggshell, that name is ovoclidin or something, that comes from the placenta of chicken. So there is a controversy that says, but according to me, this is the egg came first.
Egg comes from chicken and chicken comes from egg. It's the basic ruling of the ancient riddle. But here the eggs were just the female cells which came millions years ago, and the chicken is there from 1,000 years. So in this point, if we think, then the egg is come first. So we don't know the actual answer actually. Everyone says different answers, different logic, and different point. So if in my opinion, egg come first.
According to me, my logic is totally different from others because I researched in this topic today in the morning, and I found many different kind of informations about it. The scientists they are telling that egg come first, and now I am telling the logic behind it because uh, chicken was not produced by any kind of another chicken. Uh, After two different kind of birds intercourse, it produced a egg, and that after breaking the egg, um, the chicken released, and on that species which came out from the come out from the egg, we call that chicken. But we can't tell it that the egg released by a chicken because their father and mothers are totally from different kind of species. They're different kind of birds, and for their intercourse, it happened. So egg come first, and after that chicken.
So, which came first, egg or chicken? It is one of the most controversial topic in the bioscientist. Actually, actually eggs came first. The dinosaurs laid eggs. The first fish who crawled out from the sea also laid eggs, and also were articularly monsters that swam into the warm swallow seas of Cambrian period 500 million years ago. They also laid eggs, though they were not chicken's egg, but still they were eggs. Um, so definitely eggs came first, unless you restate the question that which came first, chicken's egg or chicken. Then it is very much dependent on how you define a chicken's egg. Is it an egg laid by a chicken, or is it an egg the chicken hatches from. So the chickens are the same species as the mm, red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia, and and although they were hybridized with gray jungle fowl when they were domesticated at approximately 10,000 years ago. So it is does not matter at the same point in the evolutionary history that there were no chickens, two birds. They were not but quite chickens mated and laid an egg, and after that the first chicken hatched from that. So if you are prepared to call the egg a chicken's egg, then definitely the egg came first. Unless otherwise the chickens came first, because because the chickens eggs had to wait until the first chickens laid the egg. That's all.
My opinion is egg come first because when our planets start completely built, after that when life forms on our earth, first of all we have the cell of a living being. So my opinion is chicken can lay egg, but at that time first thing came is a life thing came as a cell, and after that the life form evolved, and then came reptiles and other kind of animals, and then we have chickens.
So you have discussed very well and nicely and told the exact what you should have told. The topic was eggs or chicken, which came first. It is a funny debate topic because we get egg from chicken and we get chickens from egg. But we have to tell in the light of debate. If we go through the past, then we can find that chickens are birds and birds evolved from reptiles. So the first egg hatched by bird, that egg of which was laid by reptile. On the other side, which Raj mentioned, the wild and old ancestor of chickens are red jungle fowl or other species of jungle fowl found in different parts of the world. So from this point of view, we can put the logic that definitely it is egg which came first. Thank you.